Creating a whitewashed look can be difficult if you're not an experienced painter, but with this trick it can easily be painted by a novice, so grab your paintbrush and let's go. All you need to do is grab some painter's tape, section off each board one at a time. This will give you more control and an even finish, doing one section at a time. Grab a container of casement by Fusion Mineral Paint. I suggest that you experiment first to make sure that you get the right consistency of your paint. If you want, you can add just a touch of water to water down your finish. There's no right or wrong way to do this, it's simply going to give you a bit of a different effect, so experiment until you're happy with it. Once you're happy with your consistency, apply evenly with a brush in the direction of the wood grain. One coat is all you should need. The whitewash look is good for seeing the wood grain and having a more rustic or nautical feel for your home decor.